My name is Rebecca Vandelrin-Louis-Vuite, and I am a teacher at Siamliana Memorial School. In our school, we aim to incorporate ICSE, CBSE, as well as ACE curriculum, which means that we have the best of all the curriculums in India. Our main aim and primary focus for students at our school is to have them be proficient in both Hindi as well as English and have mastery in mathematics and science. We also aim to create a safe learning environment for our students and give them godly character training and early life skills. We understand and realize how important it is to have a strong foundation for children to kickstart their career. Let us hear from the students themselves how they feel about our school. What do you think a good school should have?
No bullies.
No bullies. Very good.
My name is Siamliana.
So what do you want to be when you grow up?
A scientist.
A scientist. Wow.
मैं कक्षा 2 में हूँ। मुझे स्कूल पसंद है क्योंकि टीचर्स बहुत अच्छा है। I actually have two favorite subjects. They are science and social studies. We do live in India. We are Indian, so if we travel around India, we can communicate with others easily.
Since your child deserves the best education, send them to us, and we can assure you that we will train them to be future leaders and future successful career builders.